have that idea, plan now, penalty. Me no, excellence me. I choose the plan for Ghana's development more than just my personal development. Because
as a show baby.
Yeah, no, what me?
Because I trust you, but as a
no.
Debate change you. Maybe I go see.
I don't know.
The American said, "You trust me. You have no reason not to trust me."
I know you are very.
But the point I'm saying is,
because as the reality of Ghana fool, it's different from what you're saying.
My main reality of Ghana fool who know dear. So me make us see ya. Me boy. Mampanya kufa to crowd admit it. Mo ye ding.
Because you're a businessman.
No, a stream mo ye ding.
Yeah.
Car me turn on last year be almost 400 million. And I me turn on 9 billion. Old money. Yeah. It's about 900,000. So you cannot say se mo ye ding. Me call ye Palace Mall. Our your friends say Accra. Let me call watch it. Shops be close.
Yeah.
And it took me back to the whole US. That financial crisis no. Okyem Casino I say shops close.
Na say a more
yes.
A South African shop there now.
Yes. Game. But it happens. And it's happening everywhere. We say it is happening everywhere. In Ghana we are not an island though. We say I'm pushing for US, a bit UK, a bit Canada. Yeah, me of I call win and say Okyem Aboagye. I was a former 58 the free abroad buy 50 for the funeral. And you know, Omubanswa Omuka, I watch there. I watch UK.
Me worry.
When you say Germany, sorry, make of me try. Yeah. When you say Germany, I watch buy German 40 train fare so.
Yeah.
But true no na cox be no. Omuti train fare no can be 100 cedis. Omuti so about almost 10 cedis.
Yeah.
For 1 year, German 4 packet baby packet wo mu car you should train e ko djuma. Because I want you number. Ndi ye ka say MPP 4. Say ka say I want say Ghana. You control. I want say wo Ghana that the me can say Mompanya Akufo-Addo the manifesto now or the buy and 2016 manifesto no. Say yansesa bia krompo ne say see e koso de ye djuma the next 20 years. Ghana be fan ntoma.
See, my worry is
yes.
I want to globally, Ubian will be denying the facts.
Yes.
But Russia, there are practical and pragmatic measures by various leaders. Yes. Working towards reducing the pressure.
Yes.
Exactly.
UK need Germany. UK do baby send oil, you know, no more Russia.
Yes.
You go to more, they are telling you when to buy, how much to buy.
Yes.
But and then near my course running now, gradually a bono is signed. A buffer.
When I got them for my coming danger. Can I say December? The turn on 900,000.
Yeah.
And now quite the be almost 650.
Our Ghana.
Because of the dollar. The dollar has come down.
But dollar okay. Dollar okay. Yemun na kakra kraja ye Okyem Aboagye enam
December
highway no so ne didi ntim.
December Mrs. dollar 15 cedis.
But in the dollar near
11.76 na minya last week.
Yes.
11.76. Kofi, when you check the difference between that and that now, car ba ko amesi me turn on 900,000. I back down to about 650.
But that the same dollar okay. Now was not dollar now okay. Now around 5.8, 5.6.
I know the.
Then all of a sudden
you must understand say enye obi na koye ne sa. There are reasons. And you be the question, and you mismanagement the Kofasa Bayo. US economy, certain external factors are and you must say, to see it, yes, in the US, your friends say, Fed, Omokoshia, no more so much change interest rate. Yeah, your home people. Omopajakosuka Caribbean, now for that 2 Miskako.